Alright, we're here at LaRue Performance, so we're gonna take you on a ride to the new ride. So we got our RPM tip welded on here. This is the 3-inch loud pipe. It flows all the air and all the noise out the back. We got a LaRue turbo in there, Turbo Smart wastegate. This one's got the billet manifold on it. We have the S&B air separator to clean all that dirty, nasty air up. It didn't seem to take too much power away from it. Looks like this guy's got RCVs that are kind of making a mess over here. Hopefully that stays away from my exhaust pipe. Don't even be smelling that. So we got some ABF, did a bunch of work to this car. Did a paint job with some fenders. Got the catch can here, so we took the factory air inlet that was in the air box and we vented over here to this can. That we don't get none of that oil and stuff back in the intake. Let's go for a ride on this monster with 37s. Got some 30-30 wheels on there. Let's give this thing a fire up and a cruise around. As per normal, we have the EC Master Dash and ECU. This car is on E85, race gas, flex fuel, you name it. So this screen here tells us how much boost that we can run per ethanol content or race gas. So it's adjustable on the fly. You don't need internet to do any tune changes. You can do it while you're driving. So here's the screen. Let's give her a startup. We got launch control. We got rolling launch control. Let's try the launch control. So we got a little bit of boost there. We got rolling launch control. That's too much. shut it right down with the old button. Everything stays on. Thanks for watching the old video here. Check again for the next one.